Hi guys, looking for the best metal detector to unearth hidden treasures in 2024? Look no further. In this video, we present the top 5 picks for the best metal detectors of the year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned detectorist, these devices are sure to help you find buried treasure with ease. Stay tuned to discover the latest and most advanced metal detectors that will take your treasure hunting to the next level in 2024. So, let's get started. Number 5, Underground Metal Detector GTX 5030H GTX 5030. This metal detector is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $28. Treasure hunting has always captivated the imagination, drawing adventurers to seek out hidden riches beneath the earth. Whether you are a seasoned treasure hunter or a budding enthusiast, having the right tools is essential for a successful expedition. The GTX 5030H underground metal detector emerges as a game-changer in the world of metal detecting, offering advanced features and unmatched accuracy. This delves into the remarkable capabilities of the GTX 5030H and explores why it stands out in the market for detecting gold, coins, and other valuable treasures. Advanced detection technology for superior performance. The GTX 5030H is equipped with cutting-edge detection technology that ensures high sensitivity and precision. This advanced circuitry allows it to identify various types of metals with remarkable accuracy, distinguishing between gold, silver, and other valuable materials while filtering out less desirable targets like iron and aluminum. Impressive depth penetration. One of the standout features of the GTX 5030H is its impressive depth penetration. Capable of detecting metals buried deep beneath the surface, this detector ensures that no treasure remains hidden from your search. User-friendly design and interface. Despite its advanced capabilities, the GTX 5030H is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The intuitive interface and clear LCD display provide real-time information about the type and depth of detected metals, making it easy for users to understand and operate the device. The controls are straightforward and easy to navigate, allowing even beginners to use the detector effectively. Versatile and reliable in various environments. The GTX 5030H is built to perform reliably in a variety of environments. Its robust construction and waterproof search coil allow you to explore different terrains with confidence, from sandy beaches to muddy riverbanks and rocky hillsides. Number 4, TX850 Metal Detector Underground Professional. This metal detector is here with the 57% price off. Now you can get it at around $92. For those passionate about uncovering the secrets buried beneath the earth, the TX850 metal detector stands out as a top-tier tool designed for professional treasure hunters and enthusiasts alike. With its advanced features, impressive depth range, and pinpoint accuracy, the TX850 promises to transform your treasure hunting adventures. This article will delve into the standout features of the TX850 metal detector and explore why it is the perfect companion for those seeking to unearth valuable treasures and hidden artifacts. Unrivaled depth and precision. The TX850 metal detector is engineered to detect metals up to an impressive depth of 2.5 meters. Whether you're searching for gold nuggets, ancient relics, or buried coins, this device's powerful detection capabilities ensure that no treasure remains out of reach. The 11-inch search coil enhances the detection range and sensitivity, allowing you to cover more ground and locate targets with exceptional accuracy. Advanced detection technology. At the heart of the TX850 is its sophisticated detection technology, which offers high sensitivity and excellent discrimination capabilities. This allows users to differentiate between various types of metals, reducing the likelihood of digging up unwanted items. User-friendly interface and controls. Despite its advanced technology, the TX850 metal detector is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The intuitive interface and easy-to-navigate controls make it accessible for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. Pinpoint accuracy. With pinpointer feature, the TX850 comes equipped with a pinpoint function, which allows you to zero in on the exact location of your target. This feature is incredibly useful for minimizing digging and ensuring that you retrieve your finds quickly and efficiently. The next is Number 3, GS6000 Metal Detector Waterproof Underground Metal Detector. This metal detector is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $102. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a novice explorer, the allure of uncovering buried riches and ancient artifacts is undeniable. Enter the GS6000 Metal Detector, a sophisticated device designed to elevate your treasure hunting expeditions to new heights. Let's delve into the features and functionalities of this remarkable detector and discover why it's a game changer for enthusiasts worldwide. Unmatched precision and accuracy. At the heart of the GS6000 Metal Detector lies a cutting-edge detection system engineered to deliver unparalleled precision and accuracy. Whether you're searching for buried coins, lost jewelry, or ancient relics, this device is designed to detect metals with remarkable sensitivity and reliability. Equipped with advanced sensors and signal processing technology, the GS6000 can distinguish between different types of metals, allowing you to pinpoint valuable targets with ease. Waterproof design for versatile exploration. One of the standout features of the GS6000 Metal Detector is its waterproof design, which enables you to explore a wide range of environments with confidence. Whether you're scouring sandy beaches, wading through shallow streams, or navigating muddy terrain, this detector can withstand the elements and deliver consistent performance in any condition. Incredible depth penetration. The GS6000 Metal Detector is renowned for its impressive depth penetration capabilities, allowing you to detect metals buried deep beneath the Earth's surface. With a maximum detection depth of 8.5 centimeters, this device can uncover treasures that lie hidden beneath layers of soil, sand, or rock. User-friendly operation. Despite its advanced capabilities, the GS6000 Metal Detector is remarkably user-friendly and easy to operate. Featuring intuitive controls and a clear LCD display, this device allows you to adjust settings, view detection data, and track your progress with ease. The next is Number 2, TC500 Metal Detector Underground Professional. This metal detector is here with the 48% price off. Now you can get it at around $109. Enter the TC500 Metal Detector, a professional-grade depth search finder designed to unlock hidden treasures buried beneath the Earth's surface. With its advanced features, waterproof design, and pinpoint accuracy, the TC500 is the ultimate companion for serious treasure hunters and detecting enthusiasts. Let's delve into the features and benefits of this cutting-edge device and discover why it's a must-have for anyone seeking adventure and discovery. Professional Depth Search Finder. The TC500 Metal Detector is engineered to provide unparalleled depth and accuracy in detecting buried treasures and artifacts. Equipped with advanced sensing technology and customizable sensitivity settings, this detector can detect metals at varying depths beneath the ground. Whether you're searching for gold nuggets, silver coins, or ancient relics, the TC500 ensures that you can uncover valuable finds with precision and ease. Waterproof design for versatile use. Designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor exploration, the TC500 Metal Detector features a waterproof design that allows it to be used in all types of terrain and weather conditions. Whether you're exploring beaches, rivers, or muddy terrain, this detector can handle it all. Pinpoint accuracy for target identification. With its advanced discrimination capabilities and target identification system, this detector can distinguish between different types of metals and provide clear feedback on the nature of the detected object. User-friendly interface for easy operation. Despite its advanced capabilities, the TC500 Metal Detector is incredibly user-friendly and easy to operate. Featuring a simple interface with intuitive controls and a clear LCD display, this detector allows users to adjust settings, view detection data, and track their progress with ease. The next is Number 1, Professional MD4090 Underground Metal Detector. This metal detector is here with the 45% price off. Now you can get it at around $57. In the thrilling world of treasure hunting and archaeological exploration, having the right equipment can make all the difference in uncovering hidden gems and ancient artifacts. The MD4090 Underground Metal Detector emerges as a high-precision and professional tool, offering enthusiasts and adventurers alike the power to unearth treasures buried beneath the Earth's surface. Let's delve into the features and benefits of this innovative tool and discover why it's a must-have for every treasure hunter and archaeology enthusiast. High-precision detection. The MD4090 Underground Metal Detector is engineered to provide high-precision detection capabilities, allowing users to pinpoint the exact location of buried metal objects with ease. Equipped with advanced sensing technology and adjustable sensitivity settings, this metal detector can detect various types of metals, including gold, silver, copper, and more, buried at different depths beneath the ground. LCD display with memory function. One of the standout features of the MD4090 Underground Metal Detector is its integrated LCD display, which provides real-time feedback and information about detected metal objects. The clear and easy-to-read display shows essential details such as metal type, signal strength, and depth indication, allowing users to make informed decisions about their excavation efforts. Adjustable backlight for enhanced visibility. Whether you're exploring dense forests, dark caves, or dimly lit areas, the bright and adjustable backlight illuminates the LCD display, providing clear and easy-to-read information at all times. Durable and portable design. Crafted from high-quality materials and engineered for durability, the MD4090 underground metal detector is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor exploration and adventure. So this is the best option for you to buy.